How to verify ID on ID.me. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can verify ID on ID.me. Now, I'll just be showing you or guiding you through this official ID.me help website here. So here to verify, as you can read, you will need a mobile phone that has a camera, government issued photo ID, US driver's license or state ID, or US passport or US passport card, and social security number. How to verify? Let's get into it. Now, to verify your identity using self-service, go to your partner's website and select sign in with ID.me or verify with ID.me. So, when prompted, sign in with your ID.me account and self-service. Select the option that says self-service if prompted. Then follow the prompts to upload your US driver's license or state photo ID, or select change document to upload a passport or passport card. Now here in the picture it's explained how you can take photos of your documents. Take photos of your identity document and then simply you can tap on change document if you wish to change document. Then simply go ahead and take and submit a video selfie. Now your selfie will only be used to confirm that the person in the selfie matches your government ID. So you'll have to submit your video selfie. Make sure that you are in a well-lit room for that, and then when prompted, enter your phone number and social security number. After that, you want to enter your US address. If prompted, then review all your information and then select yes to confirm it is accurate. So make sure that all your information is accurate. And finally, from the authorization screen, review the information that I'll receive and then select allow to consent to share that information with them. After that, you are verified. Your ID.me wallet now holds a verified identity card that you can use to prove and share your identity anywhere that accepts ID.me. So this way you can verify ID on ID.me. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.